Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos from your Google Photos locked folder right here. So first things first, the locked folder in Google Photos is designed for ultimate privacy. So for example, if you delete the photo right here, click delete permanently, it doesn't go to the 60-day trash like any regular photos. When you delete it, it's really permanent. That's why recovering photos from here can be tricky but not impossible. Okay, so the first step is checking your device's local recycle bin. When you move a photo inside the locked folder, it's removed from your gallery. But sometimes it might briefly appear in your phone's recycle system. So open your phone's file manager, for example, your Android phone, check the file system manager, and look for recycle bin or trash. Scroll through the recently deleted files. If the photo was deleted very recently, there's a small chance it might still be there. The next step is checking your Google Drive or Google Photos Cloud backup. You can only recover a photo from here if it was backed up before moving into a locked folder. And if you go back to Google Photos, also look into the trash for recently deleted. Check the archive as well in case the photo was saved here. Remember, the locked folder is locally encrypted, so once deleted from it, recovery is usually permanent. Deletions from your main gallery still follow the 60-day trash rule. And just some prevention tips. Treat every deletion from the locked folder as permanent. If you want a safety net, move photos out of the locked folder back to the main gallery before deleting them. And lastly, regularly back up your photos to Google Photos or Google Drive. Additionally, you can use a mobile device to make sure your backups are synced and accessible. If the photo doesn't appear in your device trash, main gallery trash, or cloud backup, unfortunately, it may not be recoverable. But checking both the local device recycle bin and cloud backups gives you the best shot at recovery. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.